And this video is for the American Standard Rumson. It's an 8-inch bath faucet. And I'm actually installing 4 of these, and I'll show you one second, but I opened this box. I've got 2 Jack and Jill bathrooms to do. So this is what it looks like. It's a very nice nickel color, stainless color, very easy to install. Let me just set it out for you. Hot right here. On this side, and these are a 90-degree turn, so they only turn one way. You actually point them this way. Okay, then you get this clip right here. Okay, and then you get this little T here, but before you do the T, obviously you want to put these rings on. Okay, one for each side. And then you put the T on, and then you'll attach your right and your left. Just slide that over to lock it in there. Also comes with a pop-up drain, American Standard right here. You just push it down to close and open. Okay, so very good kit. Looks really nice. Let's check out one that I installed right now. Okay, so here's one I installed. I'm actually, like I said, I'm installing 4 of these. So here's the hot and the cold. Okay, so that's what it looks like. The trim looks great. The 8-inch spacing. You've got the pop-up drain. Okay, now we'll start holding water. Just push it again. And there you go. Okay, now let's look underneath. Very simple to hook up. Again, you got that T right here. You attach it. Then that goes to your cold. The other side goes to your hot. And then your rings are right there. And they attach and screw on to tighten on. And here's the bottom of the drain. It's got a gasket here and a gasket here as well, so it really seals out water. You don't need plumber's putty to install. I've had this on, I've been testing it, everything works good. And so this is a great product. American Standard. It might also go by Glacier Bay. I'm not sure how the 2 companies work, but that is what it looks like.